Have you ever stopped in the middle of a row of decorative stitches and then realized that you really want to be back at the beginning of your pattern? Let's say you cut your thread right in the middle, but if you were to start again, look where I am. I'm kind of like on a half of a stitch right there. It's going to think that that's where I want to start. So there is a stitch restart button on the front of your machine. So that little triangle with the line at the top, if you push it and watch right up here, you'll find that the little green plus, the starting point, returns itself to be back at the actual place. See right here where the thread is coming out of where I started? That's right where it's going to start again. So you don't have to lose any settings that you've done to your stitch one way you can always do a stitch restart is to touch another stitch and come back. But like I said, it's going to clear out anything that you've done in Stitch Edit. So if you've changed the width or changed the length or anything else to that stitch, by leaving that stitch and coming back, you will have cleared it out, and then you have to put it back in. So Stitch Restart is a good option for you to learn to use. We do that a lot with our decorative stitches in the Stitching Cosmos online course. You've heard me talk about that, but because we do so many decorative stitches and we start and we stop, there's times where we are using this button. And if you think about which buttons Pfaff put on the front of this machine, they thought this one was pretty important. I do too. So I hope you'll get in the habit of using this when you're doing decorative stitches.